All right, Pace 111 class, it's Steve. I was sitting here thinking about our unit number 4 topic, getting to graduation, and realized that oftentimes all of the in-between stuff, and what I mean by that is our starting point of returning to college through earning our degree, all of that stuff does not get the recognition and attention it deserves. So I thought we could take a brief look at all of the developments or enhancements that occur for you as a UMG student, as you're taking your classes, kind of, if you will, going through the motions, so to speak, sometimes. We want to stop and really reflect on all of the change and transformation that is occurring related to all of these concepts and constructs, factors, qualities, if you will, that are, again, enhanced and developed as a result of your earning your degree. And furthermore, I would challenge you to really try and document your degree journey. All of you in your introductions, there is someone in your life, whether it's a partner, significant other, children, spouse, what have you, that is kind of inspired you to return to school. And I think we need to give those folks kind of pay it forward and give them a little bit of a gift. So documenting your journey kind of through all of the mechanisms that you see here. The photos and video are pretty obvious, but journaling, writing down your thoughts and feelings related to your educational journey with UMGC, creating a portfolio which maybe you throw in there samples of papers and projects and things that you've done as a UMG student, and you can use that as an evidence file moving forward of your value and worth to a future employer or graduate program. Now, on to some quick business items. I wanted to get on your radar our informational interview that's going to be due the end of unit number 6. So I would say for the upcoming week, you want to do is find an interviewee. So if you've been doing the instructor connection meetings, one of the things I've been mentioning to you is use kind of the theory or law of convenience. If you have a friend, relative, colleague that is already in your field of study, go ahead and ask that person, request an interview with that person. If you aren't able to find someone already in your network, you can use the UMGC has the community connections and career quests that can hopefully get you connected with an alum. You want to then prepare the logistics and questions. There's a whole lot of information under our unit number 6 module, so you may want to skip ahead and look to that. There's a template we're providing you to write up a synopsis or summary of the interview experience itself. And then finally, we have our team project on managing distractions that's coming up. Going to be due the end of unit number 7, but you want to be thinking about this now. So if you did the instructor connection meeting, you're probably well aware of this. If you didn't, this might be the first time you're hearing about it. Hence the reason to do the instructor connection meetings. So you are welcome to email me and let me know if there's anyone specific you'd like to work with, have as part of your team. You can find out who your fellow team members are by clicking on the My Tools tab at the top of the Course Leo page, and then on Groups. I'll be assigning the teams starting at the beginning of our next week, unit number 5. So as always, I want to thank you for listening. If you have any comments, questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you again and take care.